guys, welcome to this first video on this channel ever, and today I am going to be showing you guys how to make the ultimateness fluffy slime. I don't know what I'm going to call this video, but the fluffy ultimateness, I don't know. But here are the stuff that you'll need right now. So first you'll need something to mix in and something to mix with. You'll need Elmer's school glue. It doesn't matter if it's like clear glue or just white glue. And then you'll need shaving foam, like the foamy kind. And then you'll need saline solution. And you'll also need slime activator, which is just a thing filled up with water, and then it's like a teaspoon of borax, like a teaspoon of water or a teaspoon of water, whatever. And then you'll also need lotion. This is optional, but if your slime is like really hard, I suggest. Okay, so first you'll need your bowl to mix in, and then you'll need your Elmer's school glue. This is like a softer kind slime, kind of. I'm just going to dump it all in there. Okay, come out. Okay, this is going to take a while. I'm just going to go like this. Okay, so first you'll need that. You don't have to use all, like a whole bottle. You'll just need some. I'm not doing measurements, so then you'll need this. I'm not doing measurements for any of this, so yeah. Sorry, but I bumped that. Okay, so now you'll need your thing to mix with, and then you stir it all up. Let's keep mixing that. Okay, so next you'll need your saline solution. Open that up and then squirt some in. And now it's kind of like clumping up a little bit more, so okay, sorry, a little bright. I don't need to. So that. Oh, and you can also use food coloring. I'm not going to use it because I love the fluffy look of slime when it's white. So, you can also mix with your hands. It's way more fun, but I really don't want to get my hands dirty. I don't want any to get on my favorite sweater, so I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to keep mixing that. And then about one more squirt, and then you'll need your slime activator. So just keep mixing that. Maybe one more squirt after this, but one more squirt after this, because I don't want it to get it like all hard. Like super hard, so, and then it's actually going to take a lot of the saline solution, but I just love the look of white fluffy slime, so that's why I don't put any food coloring in it most of the time. A few more squares of this, and then I should be ready to add my slime activator. Once it starts all coming off of the bowl that you're mixing in, then it should probably be ready. This should be about it. Yeah. So see that little spot? It's coming off of my bowl. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is still too sticky. You're gonna need to squirt the heck out of this. Yeah. Oh, and go subscribe to my other channel, which is Fellow Jelly. Capital PHELLOE, and then space, capital JELLY. So go subscribe now, please, to that, and subscribe to this one too. Okay, so yeah, this is the time where you're gonna need to add your slime activator. So just add a little bit at first, mix that. So just keep mixing that up until it's like not sticky anymore. Oh, sorry, the bowl's a little bit off the screen. So just keep mixing. A little bit more of your slime activator, and then it should be good. Keep mixing that up. Okay, now is the time where you're going to be wanting to knead it. Wait, maybe not yet. Not quite. I'll knead it with my hands. First, I need to pull up my favorite one. Here, a little bit more of this. Gonna mix that around. This is kind of like a glossy, kind of fluffy slime. Because it's like glossy. I don't know how it gets glossy, but it just is. Sorry about that. Something happened with my camera. Okay. Still a little bit sticky. So I'm gonna add some more of the slime activator. Just keep adding some of this until it's not sticky anymore. So it's starting to not get sticky. Oh, and you'll also need a container to store it in. Just remember the container. Okay. And a little bit more of that. And this should be good. Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay. Okay, now it's like barely sticky at all. So yeah, definitely subscribe if you want more of this channel. It's really stretchy too. Oh, I'm not gonna use the lotion, but you can if it's not stretchy enough, because this is still really stretchy. Maybe a little bit more of this. So definitely subscribe if you want more of this channel. And like, this is like more crafts, not just like all slime, but it's gonna be like crafts and slime and stuff. So it's like not sticky anymore, maybe just a little bit. So yeah, that'll be done in this video. If you enjoyed, then definitely leave a thumbs up and subscribe. So yeah, so bye everyone, bye.